Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on LTIMindtree. Analyst maintains buy on LTIMindtree with a price target of Rs 7,000. The company saw highest order inflow with growth continuing to be well supported by key BFSI vertical in Q3 FY25. The company is confident of a better FY26 as compared to FY25 and anticipates strong deal momentum, with clients focusing on cost reduction and vendor consolidation. We believe the company is well set to capture cost takeout, vendor consolidation, and efficiency-led AI deals for Q4 FY25 and FY26. Company saw second consecutive quarter of strong net headcount additions. We expect sales PAT CAGR of 12 and 15% over FY24 to 27 earnings estimate. We have maintained buy with a revised price target of Rs 7,000, valued at 30x FY27 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.